Hi everyone, I'm Kirsty.
G'day, I'm Jesse.
And welcome to 1 Bronte Court, Hampton. Our beautiful Hampton-style home is 4 bedrooms situated right here in a beautiful cul-de-sac.
And we are the only house on the block that is double storey.
And we have over a 900 square metre block, literally the biggest house on the block. Our house is an absolute entertainer's paradise. You never have to leave this house.
And we believe it is the absolute best house on the block.
I absolutely love this gorgeous master suite. The gorgeous 2 archways here. We have our doors, absolute massive doors, 5 metre wide doors that lead out to the garden. There's so much space in this master bedroom. I absolutely love these gorgeous skylights, let all the natural light in. What is that noise? I can hear something coming from the bathroom. David, the acoustics sound amazing in here.
They're fantastic,
Oh my
Kirsty.
God.
And it's almost make a great rehearsal space. You know what? Do you mind if I just quickly ring Marina Pride, because
I don't
we've
mind
got
at
a
all.
tour coming up and I want to show. There she is.
Hey!
Hey, I'm here with Kirsty. Look, I'm just on my way to a gig, but this place, Marina. I mean, have a look at some of the
amazing.
features here. It's brilliant.
This is nude coat basins here. Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they?
They are
They're
absolutely
gorgeous.
brilliant. I mean, all these, as I say, these tiles are beautiful. I mean, they reflect the sound beautiful. Not only are they fantastic for acoustically, but it's a great bathroom.
It
full
is, it
stop,
looks
isn't
beautiful too. I'm going to leave you guys to rehearse.
Okay,
and
I'm
I'll
going to
go
rehearse.
check out the kitchen.
All right. Jerusalem, lift up your gates and sing. Oh, acoustics are absolutely brilliant.
In a New Orleans honky tonk, when I saw that Cajun girl, she looked like Southern comfort as she danced across the floor.
Andrew Farris.
A real hit.
Oh my
Hello.
gosh, what are you doing in our basement?
Hello, Kirsty.
That sounds amazing.
Yeah, thanks. So I had to come in and have a look around this room. I'd heard a lot about it. Yeah, that song is called My Cajun Girl, and it's one of the songs on my new self-titled country rock western
Well, that
album,
sounds
whatever
amazing.
it is.
You know, this could almost even be a recording studio one day. You know,
No, actually, that's a very good point. It's a perfect space.
yeah, you've got the coffered ceiling, the carpet,
right,
the
yeah.
curtains. It's very, very soundproof. It's awesome. Well, I'm going to leave you to finish that beautiful song that you were playing. I'm going to go check out the rest of the house.
All right, good luck with it all.
Thank you.
okay?
Thanks.
Thank you. Cajun girl, my Cajun girl, she fell right through the wall. My Cajun girl, yeah, right into my world. My Cajun girl.
Our kitchen is the heart of this house. We really wanted to make sure that this 4-bedroom family home had lots of storage. We've got this beautiful dark blue cabinetry with
With all the brass
details,
trimmings.
the mesh. We've got the
Gaggenau fridge.
up there, the Caesar stone bench top.
We're the only house to have a gas cooktop
We've got the double ovens, the steam
and a
oven,
built-in coffee machine.
2
Two dishwashers and
Everything
another
you could
sink.
need in this family kitchen.
Beautiful.
Let's go check out the butler's pantry.
Hello.
Dummy!
I've just tested out your kitchen, if you don't mind.
Oh my gosh, that's the very first time it's been used.
Oh, it's a great kitchen. You've done such a great job. It's beautiful.
Thank you, we love it. What do you got here?
Korean seafood pancake.
Oh my
Would you
gosh.
like to try some?
I would, you know what, you might have had the highest ever Eurovision score by an Aussie, but I reckon you can cook up a pretty good Korean pancake.
Oh, thank you.
Although it does look a bit too healthy for me. I'm not into the green stuff.
Well, I did prepare something earlier for you.
Oh my gosh.
Ta-da!
Oh, nuggets! Yay! This is more my style.
Yes, I
This
thought
is
so.
Jesse's style. You should try that. You try that, Jess, and I'll try the nuggets. Well, I think David and Andrew are going to be pretty hungry too. It's about lunchtime now. Would you mind making some more for them?
Oh yeah, I'd love to.
Oh, awesome!
I'm gonna
Thank
move
you.
in here.
I'll go let them know you're going to cook up a storm.
All right.
Thanks, dummy. We've tried to create a beautiful, loving family home here.
That's great for entertaining and raising a family in.
We're going to be so sad to see it go. We've put in so much hard work, but we know that there's going to be someone out there that's going to love it just as much as we do.